Alright, so I need to make a short video today because, as you can probably tell by the image quality, I got a new camera. And I've got the GoPro here, and I just want to do a quick little short video of, like, my truck, for example. I'm going to take some videos of my truck on this, which I will show you in a second when I switch to the GoPro. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'm just trying to take videos at the exact same time. So I'm going to switch to the GoPro. Alright, so now I'm on the GoPro, and here's my new camera. It's a Canon G7X Mark II. It's in pretty much brand new condition. There's a few little dings on it, but the kid I bought it from said he hardly ever used it. And so I'm just doing a comparison video. I'm going to throw in some clips from the GoPro, which I'm shooting right now, and then I'll throw in some clips from the G7X. And this will be my primary camera now. And so the GoPro is still going to be like primary number 2. Basically for like when I'm near water and stuff, but too good of a deal to pass up. And so like now whenever I'm filming like videos of my truck, videos of the Cobalt, stuff like that, I will be using the G7X. So I'm going to switch back to the G7X now. Alright, so I'm back on the G7X, and yeah, I'm wearing this hat. I probably should wear it backwards. There, now you can see my face. So here is the truck, and then as you can see, like in this, you've got the screen up here. I'm not really used to holding, like, I need to kind of hold the camera up more now that I have this. I'm not used to it. I'm used to the GoPro being a wider shot, but pretty much just making a short little video. So let me know what you guys think, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna be making some more videos soon. The Cobalt's not here right now. Cobalt is getting an alignment done, so that'll be coming out soon. And then there'll be plenty more videos coming out as it gets warmer out. It's really not that warm right now. So I love this camera though. Can't beat it. Came with the extra battery too. So anyway, peace out.